I'm so excited to show you the next big site for teachers. It's called Miro.com. This is an online collaborative whiteboard to help your class brainstorm together, visualize, mind map, or collaborate in engaging lessons. I'm Emma Valansay, and here are 10 ways how to use Miro in the classroom. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Miro.com. Once you're there, go to sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see all the different projects that you're working on. Here, you can zoom in or zoom out. It is interactive. And then on the left side, you'll have your toolbar with all the different things that you can use, which I'll go into a little bit later. And then on the top, you'll have the share button. And here, you can add other collaborators to your board. One of my favorite things here in the toolbar is the templates. When you click on it, you can see different types of templates for mapping, for brainstorming, or for planning. And there's tons, and there's a lot in the community templates as well. Once you like one, you can either use the template or preview the template, and it gives you a description of what you can do with it. I'm going to show you some of my favorite templates. For example, this one, I think it would be great for like morning meetings if you want to have the students collaborate. And all they have to do is once they're in this template, they click on the toolbar and they have different little sticky notes, kind of like you would do it in person. And then they would pick their sticky note and write their name. And it could be something interactive that they can move around, they can edit, and great for a conversation. Here in this other project that I did, this other frame, I clicked on upload here in the toolbar, and it allows you to upload any picture you have on your device or video, so on. So I uploaded this one template of a sorting mat for the students to sort different types of syllables. For example, closed, open, or magical e-syllables. And then I created these down here that they can easily drag, and they can create their own as well by going back to that sticky note. So it can be interactive and all the students can participate. Here's another handout that I uploaded, and I added it to another frame. You just click on the left side and pick a connecting line, and I'm just going to connect the open syllable with the closed syllable. For example, here, basic, and you can change the color of the line, and then you can also type in using the text tool. You can type in the word here. And I'm going to change the color because you can't see it, and I want to match the line. So here I'll just put the word. And this is another fun activity that you can do as a class or in your small group. Here's this other board game that I added. It's from the same decodable resource. And I added these little emojis by going here to my toolbar, and then it has this option of stickers and emojis, and you can select or search whichever one you want. And those are my moving pieces, and it'll just make it fun. You can also add its shapes. And then since it doesn't have a dice, it does have this other tool called Totally Random. So what you do is you highlight, let me try here. You highlight the sticker notes. I put names in the sticky notes, and then I'm going to pick a random item, and then it selects one of them. So for example, here it selects 2. So this first student would move 2 spots. Here's another cool one that I got from the templates. So I didn't create this. It was already made. I just added the shapes here, and you can add whichever things you want to compare, whether it's people or events or something in math. And then the students would all collaborate by adding their sticky notes. Another one from the templates is this KWL chart. And I like that it's already pre-made, and the students can add their sticky notes and color code them however they like, write their name and their content on there. Here's this other template that you can use as an organizational tool. You can separate it by groups and have the writing process, for example, brainstorm, rough draft, revise, edit, and final draft. That way you can keep track of which student is in which part of the writing process. And you can use it for anything at all to keep your students organized and keep track of something in your classroom. There's also this other simple template that I like for maybe classroom discussion. If you give them a topic and the students would either strongly disagree or strongly agree, and move their sticky notes with their names where they fall in the line. Those are 10 ways you can use in the classroom, but you can also use it to plan with your grade level. I like this template for keeping an agenda and keeping your goals in mind with your team, or you can also use it to make SMART goals. This was already a template made and created by Miro, but you can use a lot of different other templates as well. And if you want to share it with anybody so that they can also collaborate, you just simply click on share. And you have the choice of whether you want to invite them by email or you want to share a link, and there's other ways as well.